Hello and welcome to Thor-is-testing. Today we're going to test some first aid kits, outdoor first aid kits, and today it's going to be from Lifesystem. Like I told you before, I'm going to test different brands of outdoor life aid systems, and I'm up to 4 or 5 brands, but now today it's going to be Lifesystem. As you can see here, I have a variety of their packs. We'll start with the little Nano. It's in a waterproof bag here. It's a small compact one here, and let's see what's inside that. Then we're going to take the Trek, Lifesystem Trek. This is a personal size first aid kit. Then we're going to take the camping. This is the group size kit here. And lastly, we're going to take a look at these, what you call them, add-ons. And we have a dental first aid kit, and we have a sterile first aid kit. Those are specific, and they're not like what you could call it a general first aid kit. These are specific for these kind of types. But let's take a look at them one by one. The first one, we have this Nano system. It's light, it's small, it's in a waterproof bag here. And what's in it? In all of these Lifesystem, you have a comprehensive guide here to first aid. Then you have some band-aid over here, regular band-aid, different sizes. You have a blister pad, you have some safety pins, you have some hygienic cleaning wipes here, you have some sun protection, you have a larger pad here for larger wounds in 2 sizes, and you have some of this great tape here. This is not the angel skin, this is much thicker adhesive tape. And you have a large what you call them, elastic bandit here for sprains. Now this pack here is designed for smaller wounds and for getting outdoor and just have in your pack. I could recommend this in your when you're mountain biking, or when you're just going out for a walk in the hills, or what you have. But you have for small wounds here, you have all you need. You have a different size bandage. You have for a little larger wounds, you have the tape for sprains. You have a sunblock here. This is great just to put on if you get out there. And you have this elastic band here. So all you need for the short trip in the forest, or mountain biking or canoeing or something like that, when you're out on doing sports in the woods. Now this is the Trek. This is the personal first aid. This is the one you take with you when you are going for a longer walk, personal and by yourself, hiking or something like that. So you can see here, you open it up and you have 2 compartments for all you need, and you can see it opens all the way up, so it's easy to get to the things. What you have in here, you have a scissor, you have a tweezer, and you have some safety pins. You have a different kind of band-aids, regular band-aids and blister band-aids. You have these sterile hygiene clinical wipes for either cleaning your hands or the wound. You have 2 pairs of gloves. You have some gauze here, and you have a larger pad for wounds here. You have this angel skin. I like these oxidized tapes here. They're great for different kinds of situations. And then you have 3 types of compressors or a larger bandage. You have the elastic for sprains. You have this also to sprains or larger wounds, and you have this compress gauge here. So what is this first aid kit for? Now you can see that it has most all the things for smaller wounds. You have a nice variety of bandage and different kinds, sizes of bandage for wounds. So we are covered here. We have a lot of in hygiene. We have both gloves and we have hygienic wipes here. We have scissors for cutting up clothes or what you need. We have tweezers here for foreign object, and we have a small variety of larger band-aids for sprains and broken parts. And we have this oxide tape also for taping things together, for blisters and what you have, and for these pads. So what you have here is a great personalized band-aid. It has all you need for yourself and maybe for another person to get by in both smaller and larger situations. This is the camping and this is for the group first aid kit. So you can see here, you open it up here and you have different compartments, also actually named for what you have in them for a close look. As you can see here, you have a hanger so you can hang it up also. So easy to come into and easy to locate what you need. What you have here, first of all, you have gloves and hygiene wipes, and of course most of the same things as you have in the smaller tracks: scissors, tweezers, safety pins. You have a variety of band-aids here, what you call them, gauges and woven bandage. You have regular bandage over here, different sizes. You have some burnt shield, you have some stripes. This is called butterflies, excellent. You have a different variety of tapes. You have some what you call a saltwater solution here for both cleaning wounds and eyes, and you have a thermometer. So what do you use this for? Well, of course you have for all the smaller wounds. You have regular tapes, like in the two other packages, different sizes. You also have cut-off tapes here. These are great for larger wounds also. And then you have these stripes, excellent at large gaping wounds, where you can kind of put them together, and this will hold excellent well. These are excellent and they are sterile, and these are germ if you get a large cut. Then you have these burn shield. If you get burnt, be sure to get some of these on. This will really help you. And also you have these larger pads here. If you have larger wounds, you can use the gauges or the pads here and tape them up with you. Sterile, we have of course gloves here, and we have a whole bunch of these wipes. Actually, we have 6 of these wipes here, so that's nice. For foreign objects, we have tweezers. It's for ticks or splinters or what you need. And we also have needles here in the safety pins, and we have this saline solution here, both for eyes and also for cleaning wounds. This is great. Here we have a whole lot of variety of tapes. We have duct tape or gaffer tape, or what you want to call it. These are excellent for sprains or for broken parts, if you need to tape things like that together. We have the angel's skin here, they call it different things. This is angel tape. This is very thin tape, and it's excellent for blisters, or if you are getting blisters, this is excellent. Then you have more zinc oxide tape. This is a more heavy duty tape, also for taping up things. For larger wounds, you have a whole variety here of different band-aids. We have the small dressings here. We have larger dressing, we have elastic dressing, and we have a triangular bandage for broken parts here. Excellent addition. Very large variety of dressing and bandage here. Also, we have a thermometer, and this is a forehead thermometer. You just put, no, actually this is for the mouth. It's a thermometer for mouth, so you can see if you have a fever. I think this is an excellent addition to a first aid kit. Very nice that you can just easily see if you have a fever and take a look at that. So here we have the group pack. There's all you need here for both smaller, larger wounds. What you have blisters, if you have foreign object. hygiene, everything you need, and it's all in all. Is also in this excellent guide here, where everything is described. So a great addition for the group if you're going more persons out in the outback or in the wilderness. Here you have it. For this add-on, this is the Sterile First-Aid Kit. Like I said, these are specialized add-on kits for the other more general first aid kits. You have the same easy opening and compartments as you saw in the Trek. And what do we have in here? First of all, we have some wipes, hygienic wipes, and we have some bandage and these stripes here, stripes for larger wounds. Then we have a different variety. We have a suture system here. We have needles, we have syringes, we have a scalpel, and we have this for what do you call them? Catheter. We call them drops in Denmark. This is for if you need saltwater solution or something like that. This is an excellent addition to your first aid kit. You have some hygienic stuff in here, of course gloves and hygienic wipes. You have some bandage to afterwards. You have some tape, so you can tape things up. But the interesting thing about this is, I think, is the add-ons here, the needles. Here you have syringes for all use. You have sterile needles, so you can inject things. You have a totally comprehensive suture system here, so you can sew up wounds, large wounds. You have a sterile scalpel, and you have this drop catheter thing where you can inject, where you can get water into a person. Now this is an excellent addition for your system, especially when you're going really out in the back or in sailing, or where you are far away from help if needed. This is great addition. For this add-on, it's for Lifesystem. This is the dental kit add-on. And what we have in here, I think this is a great addition. I sometimes have gotten toothaches, and I know how difficult it can be, especially when you're out in the bush. This is clover oil. This is for toothaches, and if you have tried root canal, you have tasted or tried this. This both disinfects, but also it takes away the toothache somewhat. But this is a great addition. You have some temporary cement here that you can put in holes, or what you have in your tooth here. You have a small plastic mirror here, so you can take a better look what's inside. You have this spattle, what you call it, for the cement. You have a needle and a syringe, and you have these cotton for your mouth. An excellent addition for what you have if you get toothache and you are far away from anything, anybody that can help you. This will be a lifesaver. So if you are the person that can have trouble with your teeth, take it with you when you go out in the bush or sailing. I always have it with me when I sail, so I can help if we get toothache. Summing up Lifesystem here, we have an excellent variety of different items here. We have the small Nano. This is what you take out if you're just going out for, as you can see, swimming, canoeing, running, mountain biking in the woods. This is what you really need. This what you just need, and just for the day out. This is your personalized hiking system. Are you going out there for a couple of days or longer? This is what you need. There are for small and larger wounds in here, and sprains, and what you have. But this is for personalized use. The camping system, as you saw, this was the group thing. There is a lot of different variety here in here. You can actually manage most things you have here. You have thermometer, you have everything you need here for the group. And then you have these two excellent add-ons. You have the sterile, where you had suture systems, scalpels, all you need for more comprehensive wounds and things. And you have the dental kit here. So it's just to take what you need for the day, for the trip personal, for the group, and take these add-ons. If you think you're going far away into the bush, these add-ons will be lifesavers. Okay, that was it for testing Thor-is-testing first-aid kits. This was the Lifesystem. Next time we are gonna take a Norwegian brand that's called Smurks, and we're gonna take a look at that. The same way as this, and until next time, be sure to subscribe, share, and all the other things. Okay, that's it. See you.